Depression is a clinical diagnosis that involves a number of things. Before we dive in, please know that this is not a substitute for talking to your doctor or your therapist. Depression often involves a diagnosis that includes sadness or depressed mood most of the day or almost all of the day, loss or enjoyment of things that you once found pleasurable, a major change in your weight, a gain or loss of more than 5% within a month, or a change in appetite. Oftentimes, depression involves insomnia or excessive sleep almost every day. It also includes physical restlessness, a sense of being run down that's noticeable by others. It can involve fatigue or loss of energy almost every day. Depression often has feelings of hopelessness or worthlessness or excessive guilt almost every day. Problems with concentration or making decisions almost every day. And it can involve recurring thoughts of death or suicide, a suicidal plan or suicide attempt. If that describes you, we're here to help you. Whether you have a diagnosis, you feel sad, you have seasonal affective disorder, here are some things that can help improve your mood. Again, this is not a substitute for talking to your doctor or therapist. But if you think of depression as being a sharp rock, this kind of sands off the edges to make it easier to get through. Sometimes you need medication that can help you, sometimes supplements can help, or other things like that. First, look at your sleep. Are you getting enough sleep at night? You want to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night, and good quality sleep. We want the depth of sleep to be just as good as the length of sleep. So, not doing electronics right before bed is really helpful for your brain to start to calm down. Sometimes even listening to soothing music or a meditation can help you relax your brain. Things like melatonin or progressive muscle relaxation are all ways to get your brain to start to relax. Second, looking forward to something can really help with depression. Having a goal or something that you're looking forward to, it could be travel or visiting a friend. Now, during lockdown and coronavirus, this was a lot more difficult. So a lot of people dealt with depression, but even scheduling things online or trying new things are ways that you can overcome some of these feelings of depression. Getting more sun is also statistically and research-based to help with depression. If you live in a cloudy area, getting a full spectrum light that you can shine on yourself to get those extra rays of sun into your brain statistically will help you feel less depressed. Reducing the amount of sugars and carbs in your diet can help you have a clearer brain and fight off depression. As well, emerging research continues to show that socialization is something that is essential to helping people overcome depression. Now, during lockdowns and coronavirus and all sorts of things like that, that can be really hard. Find ways to connect with people either over the phone, over Zoom, or in other ways. Setting super small and achievable goals that will help you get a little bit of momentum will help you get unstuck from depression. A little bit more exercise, like a walk, a run, or taking your dog outside, can be essential to helping combat depression as well. Emerging research is also showing the value of microdosing psilocybin as a way to reduce depression. Now, that's not legal in every state or in a lot of the United States, so you're going to want to proceed with caution in that area. Lastly, realizing you're not broken is the number one thing that's going to help you to overcome depression. This is something you're dealing with, but it does not define you. You're not broken. Learn to take steps to grow in whatever way feels right for you. Create a sense of awe in your life. Find things that surprise you. I want you to put one thing, one teeny tiny thing that you'll commit to today in the comments below.